Ah, sige, sige. Sige daw. Mag-message mo. Naka-video man ni siya.
Ay, wag mo nagaw ba?
Malaikin mo pala ko. Kay sakit kayo
Sakit
dali.
kayo, sakit mo.
Sakit kayo imisisyon.
English daw. English daw ninyo kay English. Foreigner, magod akong husband.
English mo, English. English. English mo da.
David. Kailan ba kasi ko ba? David.
Hello, David.
David, don't worry.
Don't think to me.
I'm the friend of Rizal.
I'm a friend of Rizal and Cook.
Yeah.
Don't be caught in the act.
Hey, David, help me.
Honey, you remember this guy? You know, he's the friend of my brother Rizal. Ayan, I think you already saw him once and in the neighborhood, right? Yeah. He was accused by rape by his girlfriend, you know, I can imagine. So I am here to support him. Whatever we can do, we will try our best because I know he's innocent. And we just hope that things will be okay for him. Okay na.
David, helping you.
And the guys here are very friendly. I thought, and then remember Marites, yeah. Kailan kay ka our clients in the store. The other girls, no. Yeah. Yeah, we came here. Then, you know, some other people too. Yeah, they're visiting their husband or family. I'm not sure. Other Filipinos here. Okay. This is it. Life in the prison is not easy, you know. I hope we can raise the kids and become a good children.
I need help.
Yes.
We're good, but now bad.
Okay.